Hello children, I hope you all fine at home. In this today's video session, we are going to start a Term 2 Unit 1 Prose, The Adventures of Don Quixote. In this lesson, Don Quixote reads a lot of books about the adventures of various knights, and after reading books, he imagines himself as a knight and goes on adventure with Sancho Panza. Come, let's get into this lesson.
Hello children, today we are going to learn Term 2 Unit 1 Prose Adventures of Don Quixote. Children, let's see the character of this lesson. Don Quixote is the main character in this lesson. He reads a lot of books about the adventures of various knights. Next character is the Sancho Panza. Sancho is the fictional character. Sancho acts as a squad to Don Quixote and provides commands throughout the novel. Once upon a time, in a village called La Mancha in Spain, there lived a man who loved to read about knights. Here, knights means a warrior, especially of the Middle Ages, or a young servant or followers, a military attendant. Every day he would read about courageous knights and the incredible adventures they had. Here, the word courageous means bold, incredible means wonderful. Don Quixote was so absorbed in these stories that he hardly remembered to eat or sleep. The days of night and squares, of exciting adventures and romance, come alive in the hilarious account of Don Quixote's travels. Here, the word squares means a young noble man acting as an attendant to a knight. Hilarious means extreme merry or funny. As years passed, Don Quixote imagines himself placed in the world of knights. He convinces Sancho Panza, a peasant from the same village, to be his squire. Here, peasant means a person who owns or rents a small piece of land and grows crops, keeps animals on it, especially one who has a low income. And he asked Sancho Panza to be his squire and promised to give an island as reward if he was faithful to him. On the way of adventure, they saw a large old windmill. Don Quixote imagined the windmill to be an ogre and attached it without listening to Sancho, who tried to make him understand that it was a windmill. Here, ogre means a man eating giant or a cruel or terrifying person. So, Don Quixote flew towards the windmill and collided with it. After that, Don Quixote and Rocinante charged the windmill at full speed. Here, Rocinante means is horse. After hitting the windmill, both of them fell down on the ground, and then they thought that he had wounded the ogre and left that place. After this windmill incident, Don Quixote and Sancho passed a farm. They saw a thick cloud of dust appeared. As Don Quixote and Sancho passed a farm, they saw a thick cloud of dust appeared. Don told him that here was undoubtedly a Portuguese army marching in their direction. Then Don started to name the leaders and principal knights in each army and to describe the different nation represented. Don Quixote set spurs to Rocinante and charged into the midst of the sheep. At this, the frightened animals fled helter skelter. Here, the word spurs means a device with a small size. Helter skelter means confused. So when Don Quixote entered into the middle of the sheep, all the sheep were confused. The shepherds who saw this threw stones on him and wounded him. The local peasants all thought that Don Quixote was crazy and they laughed and taunted as he passed. Here, taunted means tease or laugh. After this incident, Don Quixote returned to his home and realized that all his adventures were simply a product of his imagination, and he decided not to embarrass himself again. Here, the word embarrass means feel ashamed. And he told many adventurous stories to children about knights, squares, and noble quests, and all lived happily together. And these stories took them to various places through imagination. Let's see summary of this lesson. Don Quixote, who reads a lot of books about the adventures of various knights and squares, after reading the books, he imagines himself to be a knight and goes on the adventure. He asked Sancho Panza to be his squire and promised to give an island as reward if he was faithful to him. On the way of the adventure, they saw a large old windmill. Don Quixote imagined that windmill to be an ogre and attached it without listening to Sancho, who tried to make him understand that it was a windmill. He thought that he had wounded the ogre and left the place. When they crossed the farm, they saw a cloud of dust raised by a herd of sheep. Don Quixote imagined that it was raised due to the armies marching towards them. He charged in the midst of the sheep. There was a commotion there. The shepherds who saw this threw stones on him and wounded him. The peasant mocked Don Quixote, but he imagined that people were cheering him. When he reached home, he realized that it was his imagination and decided not to embarrass himself again. He told many adventurous stories nights to the children at home and took them to the various places through imagination. Thank you, children. I hope you all understood this lesson.